first of all, you need to bring your cursor here, okay, below the figures, okay, and then after that you go to references, okay, just click insert caption. Okay, here you can choose which one you want, okay. For now we choose figure, but if you want to make your own caption, or you want to create your own caption in Bahasa Malaysia or anything, you just right here and then just click OK. So now you can see, you can choose here, for example, Rajah or Jadual. Okay, in Bahasa Malaysia, table is Jadual. So just click OK. Okay, so it's in the listed now. So for now we want to use figure, so just click figure, and then after that go to numbering. Okay. Okay, here you need to make sure that if the box include chapter number box is unticked, you need to tick first, and then separator we use period. Okay, so just click OK and then click OK. So your captions already came out. Okay, so just type the title for the caption. Okay. Okay, next is you need to modify the caption. Okay, just go to caption in the style pane. Okay, click modify, and then here you need to change to Times New Roman. Okay, font size is 12. No need to italic. Okay, this one click automatic and make it center. Okay, just to ensure the line spacing is equal, go to format and then click paragraph. Okay, here if it's not single, then you need to change to single, and then click OK, and then don't forget to click automatically update, then click OK. Okay, another thing is okay, before I forgot, before you write the title for the caption, you need to put tab here. Okay, 1 times tab. Okay, so that it will be like this. Okay, now you already have the caption for figures. Next, I will show you on how to put the caption for tables. For this, we already done the caption for figures. Okay, now next is I will show you on how to put the caption for tables. Okay, just go to the chapter that you want to put the tables. Okay, for example, I want the tables in the chapter 2. Okay, first is you need to create your own tables manually. Okay, just go to insert here, and then go to table, create your own table here. Okay, right, so make some space here. Okay, so put the cursor above the table. Okay, next is same goes to caption for figures. You also need to go to references. Okay, insert caption. Okay, here is you need to change to table. Okay, so the numbering is include chapter number, and then click period, and then click OK, then click OK. So now you already have the caption for table. Okay, same goes to what we did just now. Same goes to caption for figures. Okay, you also need to click that first. After that, only you can put the titles for the caption. Okay. Okay. So now you already have the caption for the tables. Another way for you to create a caption by not going to the references. Okay, all you need to do is just highlight the figures. Okay, same goes to table. You need to highlight it and then just right click. Okay, here you can see insert caption. Just click insert caption here. Okay, now it's appear like this. Okay, same goes to if you click references and then click insert caption, but this one is more because it's more fast. Okay, the labels you choose figures and then numbering also the same. Click include chapter numbers and then use separated period and then just click OK and click OK. So simple. It will appear the caption just like the first one. Okay, tap and then the title of the figure. Okay, here you also need to modify again. Same also, times Roman 12, so no need for italic. This one automatic, make it center, and also go to format, paragraph, line spacing is singles, then OK, and click automatically update, then click OK. So here's your caption for figures in a fast way. Okay.